Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to hide Snapchat story from someone on Snapchat app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to block friends from seeing stories on your Snapchat app, let's open up our Snapchat app first. After opening your Snapchat app, on the top left corner of your screen, you can see your Bitmoji or your profile picture icon. Tap on that icon, and on this interface, after it appears on the top right corner of your screen, you can see the gear icon. Tap on the gear icon like this, and over here scroll down, and under the privacy control category, you can see the view my story option over here, which is the third one under the category of privacy control. Tap on view my story over here, and over here you can see the custom option available over here. Tap on custom, and from here you will be able to block the friends on whom you don't want to show your story on Snapchat to, or hide Snapchat story from these people. If you choose people from over here and tap on block, then the people whom you blocked over here on the custom will not be able to see your stories and be hidden from them. And there guys, this is how you hide your Snapchat story from someone or block friends from seeing stories on your Snapchat app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.